nifunze, nataka kusoma kwa shule yako, kwa shule yako. Nichukue, nifunze, nataka kusoma kwa shule yako, kwa shule yako. Hey, what's up guys, it's Robe. So today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Shule Yako by Mercy Masika. It's an easy song, very beginner friendly song. So if you're a beginner, this song is for you. Well guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also, give this video a thumbs up if it helps you out. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. So if this video helps you out, leave a thumbs up. And guys, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, you can let me know in the comment area. So with that guys, let's zoom in right after this. Well, this song has only 4 chords, and the progression is 6, 6, 1, 5, 4. 6, 1, 5, 4, and it's the same from start to end. So the 6 is a F sharp minor chord. So the key is A. I hope I did mention that the key is A. So the 6 is F sharp minor, A chord 1, E 5 chord, and 4 D chord. So the 6th, this is the F sharp minor, first inversion of the F sharp minor. So normally I'd hold F sharp minor here, first inversion there. So I'm using my small hand, my small finger to play note A, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my thumb. On my right hand, still first inversion of the F sharp. So normally I'd hold the F sharp here, so first inversion. So my thumb, I'm playing note A, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my small finger. One is just A chord, normal way how you'd hold your A major chord. So I'm playing with my left hand, I'm playing note A with my small finger, note C sharp with my middle finger, and this note E with my thumb. Note A with my thumb, C sharp with my middle finger, and note D, note E with my small finger. So that's A chord. The chord that follows is the E chord. This is also an inversion of the E major chord. So normally I'll hold E there. So first inversion of the E chord. So I'm using my ring finger to play note G sharp, my middle finger to play note B, and note E with my thumb. Right hand, still first inversion of the E chord. So E chord, first inversion of the E chord. Thumb plays note G sharp, pointer finger plays note B, and note E with my small finger. So that's the 5 chord, and finally the 4 chord. So the 4 chord is an inversion also of D. So this is the second inversion of the D chord, D major chord. So normally I'll hold D there. So D, then second inversion because I'm going backwards. D, second inversion. So left hand, note A with my small finger, note D with my pointer finger, and note F sharp with my thumb. Right hand, note A with my thumb, note D with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my small finger. So those are the notes, or rather the chords, that comprise the progression of this song. So rhythm wise, you could just play it like 1 2 3 1 2. Baba nichukue, nifiche, nataka kusoma kwa shule yako, kwa shule yako. Nichukue, nifiche, nataka kusoma kwa shule yako, kwa shule yako. 1 2 3 1 soma kwa shule yako, kwa shule yako. And you play that progression from start to end. So guys, this one was a short tutorial, and I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Plus, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, you can let me know in the comment area. So with that guys, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.